This is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off live location on Uber Eats. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Uber Eats is adding a live location sharing capability to help couriers find customers in difficult to find locations, including public places such as campus courtyards, parks, and playground. Starting today, the feature is rolling out to all markets except Quebec. Uber Eats is available in more than 1,100 cities across 6 continents. So, what if you don't like this feature? You want to disable this feature, maybe for some reason. It's very simple. So, first of all, of course, we have to open our Uber Eats app. You can log in into your account. From here, you can go to your profile by tapping on the bottom right here. Now you can scroll down. You can choose on privacy. You can go to privacy center. You can scroll down. Live location sharing. You can just choose on that. So by default, your live location sharing is active. If you want to enable disable, you can just tap on the toggle in here. So now Uber will not share your live location on your account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to disable, how to turn off live location on Uber Eats. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.